Hi everyone, we have completed week 5 of senior year, and we have completed, this week we completed our lab on interest approach. So for my interest approach lesson plan, I created a lesson plan based around the FFA mission, motto, and creed. And for those, my interest approach was a look at creeds, so creeds beyond the FFA. My interest approach included students using their digital devices and searching the internet for creeds of different types. So different things that my classmates came up with when they looked for the creed was the Cowboy Creed, a State Trooper's Creed, different things like that. And that is the hopes that I will have when actually teaching the lesson as well. So some things that I did well, I think, during this, during the 10-minute lesson that I taught, I thought I did well at the very beginning, recapping what we had learned in the class before. So the class before was all about standard operating procedures and what it was like to come into the classroom. So I had mentioned that the students, I came into the classroom, and a reminder that standard operating procedures for them would be to complete the bell work on the board. In addition to that, I really did like my interest approach as well. It gave the students a different visualization of what a creed would look like besides just that of the FFA creed. And to some, it was actually a shock that other organizations had creeds as well. And some things that I really want to work on for the future, I believe I mentioned in my last video, but I want to continue to work on inclusion. So what that's going to look like on my end is that I want to do better about the languaging that I'm using in my classroom. So instead of speaking to the entire class as you guys, I'm going to say something more like you all, those types of things. And something else that I thought about for my interest approach specifically, I want to maybe either hand out creeds to the students to look over and answer questions about, or give them specific ones to look up, so that just in case for some reason they're not finding them just by Googling the creed, or if I want them to look at like a specific type one that I know will answer the questions, to research that ahead of time and tell them exactly what to look up. But I do want to be able to incorporate the digital devices, so I think I'm going to lean more towards that in the future when reteaching this lesson again. I'm going to include my video in my blog, so please take a moment to look over it. If you have any suggestions, I'd be extremely happy to hear them. Thanks for watching.